Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the vlog. In today's vlog now, we'll be going back on site number 1, where we'll be having our casting day today. We'll be casting both the roof slab, the staircase, and we might end up casting the base of the septic. To speed up things and all of that, we're going to use pre-mix concrete, not necessarily the company. We're going to use the same company, but when I hear about pre-mix concrete, it's not necessarily the company. It is like batch before it is brought on site. So guys, I'm in the office now. There's some very important things to finish up. We're going to do that and then we'll be off. So question for my construction persons out there, when you guys use premix, do you guys do a test every single time you guys get concrete, or you guys like it depending on what size construction or the type of construction? Yeah, I just wanted to know if you guys always do test them. So guys, I hope you have been enjoying the vlogs. But nobody switch it up on a little bit. As I said, I want to show a different side of my life sometime. I want it to be outside my element, like construction. I want to have fun, show you guys. I don't want to always feel like me actually that work. Even though work to me is super fun and I could do this every single day of my life, still want to do something different sometimes. Guys, when I'm editing these videos, I realize I may have like an alter ego, a second Dashan. Like, I don't know, like me a doppelgang myself. I realize I may have this nice bubbly personality on YouTube, and I barely can see it in person. I never really hear nobody say that in person. So I'm nice and bubbly and all of that. I normally hear say, I don't know what I want. I don't know that. So I don't know what is nice. I don't know. Probably I judge myself wrong. Let me continue being nice and sweet and welcoming. Honestly speaking, I think I am, and I can't fake it. So team Ismash, the next clip that you'll be seeing will be on site casting today. Let's see how today takes place. Hopefully everything goes well. Let's go. Forward man. Curry chicken. Someone your juice, everybody eating good. Comment why you buy food or cook food on site on casting days, big days like today's. Why? Comment down below if you know. Chef run the sardine thing. Foreman, Mason, pre-mix one them. Seeing that the party has started without me. First thing we're going to do is check if farm work. How it manage. So one fault out there, so. If you guys not tuning in for the first, you can see that this wasn't there in the initial stages. The inspector told us to install this, so we have to put a column right there, so along with the beam to support the ear, so it could just have a cantilever effect. Yeah. How in alignment. Spread that out. Spread it. successively pour. When in dress back in, can you use your foot and push you up in? So guys, we are halfway through. Halfway through, guys. The glass half full or half empty. Show you people that where a chef are dealing with. But we're gonna look on this first. It's called a pump truck, guys. The long boom. One guy controlling just easy about right there, so. This is a bottle. menu today.
Can't chop it up the banana. Don't. By the time they're ready, it boil out. See? And put some spinach in there.
Spinners. Onion spinners.
Yes,
Spinners, onion spinners.
Dumplings.
Oh.
Here.
Nice decoration.
Okay, okay. Spinners. So the last truck. And the staircase. So the quadrant did that and the staircase. Last pump truck wood. Last concrete truck outside. Volumetric. So now the staircase, you have to start from bottom to top. Easy, easy. Start, you have to start from the bottom. Yes, sir. I want to fly about I mean. God bless the sport.
I don't work with you, no. You can't tell me that.
Okay,
You talk to the boss.
okay. We're finished, guys. And as you can see, guys, I take out the screw them and patch up with them. But earlier we tried to shoot down here so to see if the boom could have reached down here, so but as you can see, we'd have like a yard left in a line or in a truck, and you just want to see if we could have reached here, so if we could have go for another truck, but can't shoot from too high, nothing over like 3-4 feet, so if make a mortar bed up there. So yeah, man, so tomorrow we'll be casting this. Greetings again, team. Finally home, and I will wrap up the vlog here. Just wanted to speak to you guys a little bit before I end this vlog. So I just quickly wanted to talk about quotations and bids and things like that. So when you ask me, for example, for a quotation or any other contractor for a quotation, all quotations still negotiable. All of the rates them still negotiable. At least for me, it's still negotiable to an extent, and it breaks down for a reason, because especially when you have the like reno work, where in which you want to renovate and you want to change out certain things to your own liking. A lot of changes gonna happen in between, even after the quote, after you tell me to prepare a quote for X job, you come back and say, boy, I don't want so much wall lick down, but I just quote you for X amount of walls. You can eliminate them and even negotiate on the rate I give you. It's up to you. Also, you have to bear in mind, sometimes guys wanna say people expensive and all of that, but price go with certain things. They go with the risk. Like each floor where you go, they flash and render up on the outside, it costs a different rate, because you have to get harness, rate a risk increase, and all of them things. I may have to also get more scaffolding materials to work out here. So you have to factor in all of that. It's not like you're going to why this costs so much, and sometimes you guys want a lot of messy work. I know construction can get messy at times. Be done inside of a unit, and you have a lot of expensive things on the inside. You don't want the tiles them change, you don't want, you have like drywall inside, so you don't know when that broke. You have all sort of delicate things inside where if the contractor guys them damage anything, they're liable to fix all of that. You have to look into that too. Cause you can easily go remove something, you know, what cheap. Like for remove it, I really $50 to remove it. But yeah, said me go remove something that is delicate, if it's easy for break, and me I work around a space where me can damage a lot of things, and me I move a lot of them. The rate I go up because the rate also go up, and you don't want a contractor run a leader. So guys, when I get a quote from a contractor and things like that, I can talk to them. When I get a quote, when you can talk to me and say, yo, Ismash, just talk, brother, correspond, understand the quote, understand the whys and all of that before I make a final decision. A lot of people in the industry say, yo, some people say them expensive. I have a lot of money out here where we need way cheaper because them not break down the risk and them not understand. So people can give you them testimony on bad experiences within the industry because contractors feel at times to quote for certain things that are like unforeseen and certain variations. Some people don't even want to pay variations. Just that, guys. Big up on yourself, take care of yourself, subscribe if you're new, and have a blessed day. I am out, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. We cast and we'll start lay a block, and as I said, we're gonna do the bottom of the base of the tank, and then yeah, work our way up. See my Smash? I am out.